tongues in ya, everybody what a vibe. Now, love me give every dolly that I can. Chow, love me, she love it, cocky that's what I. Now, luxury, set me life, catch you right. Go, green light, go, speed light. Oh, anything you see, then I reap I. So, the street light, no, me do it like, bro. Count up a million the first time. I never looking back, you know, coming up the first time. Poverty is the first crime. And if you're dead on road, I know what you deserve time. God a kind, but me no give the church mine. Paranoid, must think to the earth kind. Count up a million the first time. I never looking back.
You see me? But we have the producer as well.
Crocodile badness of it all. We don't touch my ears. Rough night, ears, we up night. I saw that. Family for me touch night. Brave, money man.
Listen to
flush my waist, I rock like this, me
Start sell white, don't lock off the stove. Out in kitchen now, wash off your clothes. 17 shoot and shut off them nose. Suck it, mother boy, hear that? Hey, I'm a killer, glass off a toast. Killer, I'm a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not chat on the boss. But long time for we pattern. We no mix or mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Rich. Run the crocodile badness of it all. I saw that.
Another Livevybz Friday. You see me? There in the building. Everybody there.
My dog start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. Out in kitchen now, wash off your clothes. 17 shoot up, shut off the nose.
Yalis J. And your boy Tom, man.
Glass of toast. Killer, I'm a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not chat on the boss. But long time for we pattern.
We no mix nor mingle.
Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic one single. All in our face like dimple. A crumb in our waist till me wrinkle. Young skull with the 17, cool and simple. Flinging out all and sink you. If I evil them know we are sin to. Put them to my force and trim them. Key drum in night lord. Pussy.
Hope everybody having a good night.
Running my child, running night crowd.
Big up on the dance.
And get a life crowd. And your back and steer up in night cloud. Badness never cool up a night cloud. Toe shoot, walk down. Now when I toe safe night down. Never call, ready run. She make us steady fall. Money fall, I cheat her up your body. Nice street when we left your soul. And you alone by gun, make us step your ball. I mean not here, push hands, them say them are all. Boy, fears of it, if we make us strong.
Kick it back.
Kick it and tell, if you never
watch your stream and enjoy the life.
Out in kitchen now, wash off your clothes. 17 shoot off, shut off them nose. Suck on the man, boy, hear that? Hey, I'm a killer, glass off a toast. Killer, I'm a killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not chat on the boss. But long time, we pattern up. We no mix or mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic one single. All in our face like dimple.
Alright, they ready for that one, yeah?
Yes, then me wrinkle. Young skull with the 17, cool and simple. Flinging out all and sink you.
You ready?
If I evil them know we are sin.
Watch you know.
Run up on me, no man try idiot. Fly man fly.
That one they never work. You ready? I know. Come on. Ready.
Big life, live life, go trafficking, back it in. To the top of it, tap it in, back it in. Back it in. From me a juvenile and the money I call. Me call my daughter for got Benz and my son in a hardy. Look them up for work in a blood club body. One of them I call my legend up in the past party. Oh my God, it's never get it when you're young and hearty. But priority straight, me no broke and party. Couple hours over, someone want for a laugh shot. Look at the money load, like me wanna gun and clout. I don't know, she a sell, me know the fuck out.
All the ladies in the chat, big up on yourself.
Start talking, I while me while on my darkness. I see me can find the kind, me send a boy and a flossy. With the piece wash off it, pull up and park it. Gonna feel life dog, show up that shortly. Love my life, you on the money, my want. See up, I'm at the McDonald's, on them life, yeah. Clad them matic like I'm earth strong. Paper, me come from a dirt farm. Guns on my car, them a German. The bourbon, I sip slow, me a the surgeon. The servant, no week, we prove the world wrong. A girl on her knees, I prove the boss right. Last night, I flick off my turban. Love the millions, I me met the first one. Clad them matic like I'm birthday. Money hit hard, we have it, you know hurt, see. day. Me put a target on it in a diverse way. Skull a go clock, him a think this a no girls play.
Basil down.
Me no muggle gun, and me first spray. Me bad no blood clot, till me turn clear. The bag them man want, all the work stay. Face flat, poverty
Bandit
in
himself.
9 burns. We a big lad, we live like we trafficking. Waffy tappy thing, what he did? What he did? Now I some big life. Live like we trafficking, back it in. Put it up a waffy tappy thing, what he did?
Check. Ready. Oh, so. Ah.
Totally lacking it. Roll like me traffic in the coke and no coffee thing. Big goes and a flashy whip. Boy lucky lip. Tar up on my belly, bust a wacky dip. From cashing it. I done for that, we're not crashing it. Man a hustle, coulda 3 can, coulda hockey pick. Tell them boys say you no luck we pick. Me no act with it, a bat we flick. And if a paper chasing, tell them that you fit. Open get the picture, tell them snap the pic. One of a kind and them not that quick. Young me style them like a crack in it, them love it like the food in the bottom in a chop in it. Them, all me need the clip full and get a bad driver. The men shell a spend shell a man a jump like what? We a bumbo clan
Bad strike.
me pop it off and
Clot it. Swear to God I don't. If your body not the street, you know what I round here.
Genocide, you know. All of them are some clown, you. Yellow man.
Check. Everybody, you don't know this is Vybz Friday. This is your boy, girl. It's the whole squad in the building. We could go all of Vybz early, right? You know.
Me pop it off and clot it. Swear to God I don't care if your body not the place and nobody around here. Cause it doing on the clip and every cup a going share. 6 man and 6 finna and the bomber sound clear. I'm a flying belly bus brother going tear. Get a phone call but you said that him a weird. So we circle him and bust him at the nice square. Top strike and do it ask him and sell it fair. Cause him order food and before it coulda share. And the rifle turn on all can't coulda hear. And the clip run out so me chaff in a spear. And me turn it on the pussy past and a steer. All me need the clip full and get a bad driver. The men shell a spend shell a man a jump like what? Boom. Top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss money I go miss. The mount a dopey on this chop out like what? And my money buy this no bother that neither. Boom. Top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss money I go miss. Lift up the breaker, all them a make nicer. And you go be child go bust him and a dicer. Some pussy just love attention. We put you in a your face, them woman even recognize you. But of them a some clown, matches lane. When them a do downtown, mommy a gun sound and shake the compound. Man bleach and your cake and tell me turn brown. Close range, me rest the crown on your crown. Top striker, headphone on the ground. Make your dopey fast, the pussy could do make a sound. No need a 100 round, take on gun them down. All me need the clip full and get a bad driver. The men shell a spend shell a man a jump like what? Top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss money I go miss. The mount a dopey on this chop out like what? And my money buy this no bother that neither. Boom, top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss up it off and clot it. Swear to God I don't care if your body not the place and nobody around here. Cause it doing on the clip and every cup a going share. 6 man and 6 finna got the bomber sound clear. I'm a flying belly bus brother going tear. Get a phone call but you said that him a weird. So we circle him and bust him at the nice square. Top strike and do it ask him and you sell it fair. Cause him order food and before it coulda share. And the rifle turn on all can't coulda hear. And the clip run out so me chaff in a spear. And me turn it fine the pussy pass and a steer. All me need the clip full and get a bad driver. The men shell and spend shell and man a jump like what? Top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss money I go miss. The mount a dopey on this chop out like what? And my money buy this no bother that neither. Top striker, planted top striker. When me and we no miss money I go miss. Genocide, you know. All of them are some clown, you. Yellow man, young them. Driver, drop like what? Times jack. for understand the lingo. And the body too long, body too blood clot long. And you take your limbo. Come let me take you to a land and never timber. Y'all come for the day and never chimbo.
All the pretty bitches put their hands up.
Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, the waistline is a bad man of Priya. Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, the waistline is a bad man of Priya. Yeah. Let's pussy, she sip on it, and my dad pass it. The worst man, me like your type pony. My life flies it right for me. But girl, she a good body. Show double six and a hoodie. Rest a girl, them a chicken head, some a goodie. She full attitude, yeah, she moody. Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, kind up your waistline is a bad man of Priya. Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, kind up your waistline is a bad man of Priya. I push it in and pop it. Your pussy fat, skinny, tall from back. If your boyfriend mean, just fuck and that. Send him a video, you a bounce pan cock. Full of hate, not take tough long cock. Man a red flag, better run that cash. If you not clear, she in that. Him a waste man, y'all run that man. Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, wind up your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Antigua, girl fly up Antina. But Caribbean girl, your waistline is a bad man a Priya. Takana, Santo Domingo. She leave understand the lingo. And the body too long, body too blood clot long. And it make a girl limbo. Shake up your ass, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. Girl, shake up your ass, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake. Girl, shake up your ass, bounce, 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 bounce. Pretty bitch, I shake up your ass, bounce, 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 bounce. Get wild and pillow, vagina and skin out. Come in on your belly, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the whole get free out. Nipple get suck off, your throat get big out. Chill up when me.
Chat, yo, chat, I'm rolling up. Chat, I'm rolling up. I get shot in the face.
Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. Girl, shake up your ass. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake. Girl, shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Pretty bitch, I shake up your ass. Bounce, 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 bounce. Get wild and pillow, vagina and skin out. Come in on your belly, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the whole get free out. Nipple get suck off, your throat get dig out. Chill up when me bleach and white and thin out. Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me love. No man me fuck out, your whole make you sing out. Your boom boom shave like yard when you below. I love that kitty. Little miss grippy. Little miss stylish pussy. Little miss high down, no way to me. And if a time I'm a cut in every lace. Fuck out your whole and pussy in your face. If you with the pussy, get a cut in your face. Look innocent, but me see the slut in your face. Get and pillow, vagina and skin out. Come in on your belly, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the whole get free out. Nipple get suck off, your throat get dig out. Chill up when me bleach and white and thin out. Brick in your hole, so me lift off and me love. No man me we fuck out, your whole make you sing out. Your boom boom shave like yard when you below. VIP, very important pussy. VIP, very important throat. And a very important note. You're a very important goat.
so good. I don't know. Something boy your pussy make me come quick though. Get wild and pillow, vagina skin out. Come in your baby, make it swell up and big out. The trigger get press out, the wall get frig out. People get suck off, your throat get dig out. She love when my bitch and white and clean out. Looking at your hole, so me live far from me though. I'm a fuck out, the wall make you sing out. Your boom boom shave like yard when you be low. If you ask me, girl, I change and I don't like that. No, do not make everything go to waste, baby. Please fight back. Wow, have some faith in a man when I grow like that. No, I make you do the done that. Don't me would I never do you that.
Yes.
No sacrifice your happiness because of ego. No,
Ladies,
no believe everything what you see in the media.
my babies.
I'm stressed out, I'm miss my friend. Them no understand or get with you up there. You mean the world to me, no girl.
Hey.
Oi, you know answer that me not true then. Can't believe you get a new friend.
Check.
And if I don't need then I wouldn't. You give up on me, please baby.
You know, so you're tuned into Livevybz Friday. Get us here for the ones on fuse. Ladies, ready?
I really love you and you really love me too. Oh fuck, she can suck a cocky dick.
If y'all get ready in front of the mirror, pre-game with your friend, them. Yeah, watch out.
Bring your pussy to me, toast it, cocky on you. Man, I tell us me more than happy, not a blood clot body. Me so happy, me that coming on you. Got more man more than happy on you. What a pretty pussy, what a big.
There's a whole of vibe with the ladies said speed.
Happy, what a blood clot body. Me so happy, me that coming on you. I have a penis for your vagina hole. Me there for you whenever you feel home. Let me wallet and everything me own. Give you me heart, but me charge for me soul. And if we left me still I love you feel like something like.
About 5 more minutes to show time. Make sure you're tuned in, share the live.
We can move mountains when we are broken. Baby, nobody else matters when we are broken. Kiss me, hold me close to you, don't let me go. We are born, baby.
Girl, you do what you please. If you was a snake, then me. So do what you please. So do what you please, wifey.
Ladies, watch out.
Set them up, put me to sleep.
If you like the vibe, make sure you like the vibe. Make sure you like the live. Share the live. Set speed.
Every month love getting coffee, stop love getting coffee, stop. Nothing no so nice, early morning when you just get up, when you just get up. Nothing no so nice, you could have only left tomorrow when I give back up, but in it tomorrow. Nothing no so nice, Jenny said me sick come up. But woman, nothing no so nice.
Hey, girl.
Don't jump. Cooking up and cooking up, you say nothing like a blue.
Watch out, mix. Watch out,
You
mix.
pass it to them, but you love it last night. You know them girl you told me. Even ask if you did it and you like it. You wouldn't do that. You only cannot do that. Every month love getting coffee, stop love getting coffee, stop. Nothing no so nice, Early morning when you just get up, when you just get up. Nothing no so nice, you could have only left tomorrow.
Yeah. You know, so you're tuning into Livevybz Friday. We have Buckstar in the building, Sawa in the building, Tarman in the building, OG, Triple OG, Beans in the building. Big about the sponsor, Same Speed. What we got? One Love, Window Cleaning. We have D&K Catering. Yeah. You can't forget the girls and the baddies. That show you bad on the Sunday. You make sure you tune in. Hey. Watch out. So you're now tuning in to a Livevybz Friday. Yeah. see you now tuning into a Live Vibes Friday. Come on. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Ready? Live Vibes Friday. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Ba 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 ba. Squeeze. Alright, so we do a whole of vibe. Yeah. Pick up the chat, same speed. Again. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. If you like the tune, make drop some fire emoji in the chat. Ready. Like, share, subscribe. Man. Short time. Oh gosh. One more time. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Oh fuck, yo!
It's a Live Vibes Friday. That one.
Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Like, share, subscribe. It's a Live Vibes Friday. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's what we have brought. Yo, make sure you, hey, stamp it, approve.
Yo, everybody, thank you for tuning in. Yo, we're live.
Yeah, I'm going on.
No, just so we can. Alright, so people, thanks for tuning in. This is another episode of Vibes Friday. This is your boy, Gallus J.
Got the sound.
Man. And his father. So, you don't know. And the MC and you don't know that was 9 Vibes. And you don't know, say, Hyundai there, say me and
Chat, I'm here.
And again, we are shout out with sponsors, quick and fast, D&K Catering. One Love Window Cleaning. And
All In Podcast Network.
You already know, Mr. Olive, thanks out to you. And I think that's about it. And
hey yo,
well,
D&K in a city right now, a great creator storm, you know. Yeah.
Talk about, you know.
Yeah, man.
We give sponsors them the biggest shows out.
No, because I see a couple reels on the media.
Oh,
yeah.
I can't really do focus on them reels, especially when you see them when media work.
You know, say me go page him Monday still come. I go see him Monday.
Don't be hungry watching them.
Yeah.
Don't be hungry watching them reels.
Yeah, dog. I go page him Monday because you know, on Friday, cookies not going on yard, you know. Either you go jerk chicken, you have to go to jerk pan, or you get a little snapper wrap up in one file paper, or some chicken and chips, or some fast food. That's a Friday going on. And you know what D&K Catering going with? Steamed fish.
And crackers.
And crackers. And guess what going on tonight? A big party down at Sky Lounge. So you know, say, hold on now. What the fuck? You know where you get for drink with that?
Who cooking at Sky Lounge tonight?
Carrot punch. The carrot punch.
The carrot punch. And the good old carrot punch.
That's
a man.
Yeah. But
good old carrot punch.
I can't, the day I work, I never get for all that still. I'm not gonna lie, because on a Friday, a nice steamed fish and some crackers and a carrot punch. He set you up right for the whole weekend. The whole weekend is nice. You want a spark?
Yes, sir.
Like that tea? But chat. Shouts out to the AKK and all our sponsors.
Shouts out to the chat too, yo. Big shouts out to the chat.
Chat,
always,
I'm here.
Yo.
You already know.
Make sure y'all like the video. Exit the chat and like the actual video, please.
They gave me my
Make
job
sure y'all
back.
do that.
They tried to cancel me, but it wasn't gonna happen.
So
try again, motherfuckers. But yo, what got going on? I've been out and I don't know what's going on.
All right, yeah, you wasn't.
Yeah, so you never there last week.
Yeah.
Or you was here, but you
was here. He would be okay.
I was in the chat. No, last week was last week. Oh yeah, I was here.
Last week was last week. You right about that, man.
That's the first factual thing.
Yeah, you are not lying about that
last
one.
week, yeah, last week was a very last week.
Definitely last week.
But I was here. I was on set. No, I was on set.
No.
I was in the studio.
You was on set to show people your jorts and your fit. The rest of your fit.
Chat, I was together.
It was just 9.
Chat, I was together. I was together. I don't know what you talking about.
AP was showing out last week. I forgot. You
Shouts out to the ladies that was on last week too, man.
Yeah, PJ. And yo, wait, somebody had a birthday this week.
Somebody did have a birthday this week, man.
I feel like I'm forgetting somebody's birthday shout out.
I need a letter.
Damn.
Yo, DJ Fireboss.
True.
Oh yeah.
I think it was on yesterday or 2 days ago.
the 7th.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, brother Ran Band Boogie. Happy belated birthday.
Box with 59 X's plus 1. So 60 at the
Big shouts out to my brothers on the. What month is this?
It's me, baby.
The
Zodiac shit. Yeah, the Taurus people.
Big at the letter there, please.
Hey, me not like Taurus, you know.
Oh, yeah.
We'll take it up with Fireboss.
Yeah, we're going to take it up.
So move
Fire.
So hold on, you have to talk about it. What them do?
Fire,
The Taurus and
you know, say I one bag of girl me talk to the in there, I mean not like them. So me not like Taurus.
But it look
I
like
I just now started talking to the Tauruses, like dealing with Tauruses more, yo.
Yeah, man, the Tauruses.
Big lighter?
Yeah, they
too serious, my yo.
Yeah, they stubborn. They stubborn.
Yeah, they're stubborn.
They don't listen. They hard headed. They know everything.
And they can't admit when they're wrong.
Yeah, they know everything. Yeah. Shouts out to them though. Shouts out to them.
The horoscope thing, you know, but
yeah, but them mere people, them always try to keep an image, clean image, you know.
Yeah.
I can't admit when they're wrong.
Jah God.
Spring babies.
Them try every way to justify it.
Spring babies, man.
Shouts out to my mom, because she made baby.
Jah
Not
God.
no shade on her.
God damn. But you know it's crazy.
Yeah.
I like the horoscope thing. I could see some of them shits, but all them shits even. All them come up with all them thing there.
Yeah, I
feel like so when it comes to the horoscopes and the zodiac thing,
stop passing me, cat.
the thing that I think about, the way I see it basically is some of it come to order when you got to think about people that are born around certain times of the year and different months and the different weather and everything.
But
hold on. People that's born at different times do have different personality traits.
Yeah, I get
do
that.
handle things
that.
differently.
I get
and do
that.
So I kind of understand where they get some of that stuff from. Because I know a lot of people, a lot of the things that they do say about some signs do kind of stand true.
I guess
But some of that stuff do be bullshit. Like when they be start applying it to different stuff.
Some of them is exaggerated.
It do. But I definitely do feel like some of that stuff does stand true only because people born at different times do have different traits about them.
I got you. But what's your deal?
Hey, yo.
Same thing as always.
But chat, we here. You know what I'm saying? They trying to cancel me, as I said. And
yeah, we about to cancel
it
right
ain't
now because
happening.
we not
It ain't
about to ask you
happening.
how your week was.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, my week, it was work.
It was work. I was with you, man. Hey, yo, no cap. So hold on. Hear me out. So my first time actually. My first time actually seeing pass my phone real quick, yo. My first time actually seeing
Pass this shit? Candy.
Oh, you hearing it? Oh, that's probably mine. It's my headphone. My bad.
Yeah, your mic sensitive too.
Go ahead. Yeah.
What I was saying. Oh yeah. So took a trip out with him for his job earlier this week, yo. It was my first time actually seeing what y'all niggas be doing, man.
Where you went?
He was at some low shit. He's at a casino.
Well, okay. You was on the ground or you went? You
Nah, he didn't go up in no shit. Man. Okay. But just the shit, like I was looking at it the low. I'm looking at that shit like, damn, that's kind of high, bro.
Oh yeah, that is high.
So he showed me the video, or not the video. He showed me the building that him and Beans was on, where I guess the shit had came apart and everything, bruh.
Oh, so you was in the Buffalo and shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bruh.
Yeah. The people them over there. So I
don't see how you niggas still continue to be It gave me a different appreciation for what y'all niggas do.
Nah,
I'll be honest with you, yo.
But one thing with that, no, to be honest, I'm not a heights person. I tell you that right away.
I'm scared of heights.
I'm not
I don't
scared.
believe that.
I'm not scared of heights.
I do not believe that.
I'm not scared of heights.
There's no way.
I'm not scared of heights, right? But so for me, it has to be safe. I gotta know it's safe. For me.
That's what I tell him.
It's not a fear though. That's not a fear. You can't call that afraid of heights, yo. You might be cautious of heights.
That's probably a better way to put it.
But you niggas cannot be afraid.
This is how I put it.
Yeah, Biz, you just missed your shout out, son.
Don't get me wrong, you know.
Yo.
Don't get me wrong, you know.
This nigga showed me the building in Buffalo that you niggas was caught on.
Oh, you might talk about me and
fuck out of here. I would never do that job.
He talking about M&T.
One love window cleaner would not exist if I was you. It would be a height requirement.
Yeah, let me get that bucket of water on the table.
Yeah.
So in reference, he talking about M&T back in Buffalo, New York.
Yeah,
it's one of the highest buildings in upstate New York. But
yo, y'all boys is wild. Yo, the fact that y'all still do that job is crazy to me, yo.
All right, this is what I'm trying to. This how I ease into doing it.
That's how you know. That's how you know we're making the money.
You see, some of the buildings, do that shit. Some of the buildings is the machine is actually attached to the building. You know, you really on the building.
I get what you're saying.
In New York City, them shits is dangling.
Oh, really?
Them shits is dangling. You know what I'm saying? So it's really different. And like, we got some high buildings here. We got some high buildings, but we ain't do no sketchy shit, to be honest with you. Like some of the machines are old, because some of these machines are built way back. It was only we probably been on 1 or 2 recently built machines. But all of these machines are built for these buildings when these buildings were built. You know what I'm saying? But they're good.
Okay.
They're working.
Do y'all know the heights? Do they tell y'all the heights of the building that y'all going on? Yeah, you can do that. So then what's the highest building that y'all been on?
No, you get the address and you could Google.
Yeah, you gonna look it up.
Where you at? Nah, I think M&T be taller than that.
No, Xerox. No.
Yeah, I thought M&T was the tallest one in upstate. Yeah, man, M&T taller.
That's like 40-something floors.
You looking down, yeah. M&T one of the tallest.
And I'm not afraid of heights, though. That's the thing.
And you got a peak too.
I'm not even afraid of heights, but that's crazy.
Yeah, M&T one of the tallest in upstate, and then in Rochester, I think it's Xerox.
Yeah.
The Xerox downtown building. But
I was
them shits is safe for the most part, bro. It all comes down to
you cannot convince me that y'all afraid of heights. Yo, you niggas is not afraid of heights. I do not believe that. There's no way you can get afraid of heights, yo.
Nah, trust me. It has nothing to do with scared of heights, because like when you on the damn platform, bro, and you're harnessed in, you know what I'm saying? But when you're on the platform, as long as you don't look over,
I was about to say,
you're usually good, bro. If you ever look down before, you know what I'm saying? You're usually good.
I'm about to say, it's no way possible that y'all on those things for hours cleaning windows and you don't look down.
I mean,
you look down, but it's up to you. I'm just saying, it's just that
you don't.
Yeah, you don't have to, bro. You don't have to. You could do a whole work day without actually looking down. Because you know if you do, you know when you're driving a car, when you're lifting off in the plane, you feel that hump.
Oh yeah.
You know that if you look down, you're gonna get that feeling. So you know that.
So you trained yourself.
You just know. You just try not to do it. You know what I'm saying?
In the window.
No, that's what I'm saying. No, for people people are scared eyes.
I was looking at the scene and we're like, yo.
You can look out, but looking out is different from looking down.
That's way different.
That's way different.
We look down before we go over, because we gotta look over the ledge and make sure everything clear.
Bro, as soon as I look down, I'm looking because once you look down, it feel like you leaning automatically.
Yeah.
Once you look down, you automatically the vertical kick in and you feel like you leaning automatically.
The scariest part of the whole thing, like I tell you, is when the process of getting up off the building to go over. That's the scariest part.
That part for him, yeah. But for me, That part is alright because as I said, as long as it's all operator error. Any accident is operator error. So for
what's
me,
the scariest part for you?
It's actually the first descent. The first when you go over the first descent, like the first top part of the building. The first top part of the building. No, once we go down after that.
Scare me like if it's like windy.
Yeah.
That's but when the first top part, it's the most vulnerable.
It's the part where like when means you know like when you first go over, I have to jump if you make the rope them tighten.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the most vulnerable part of the machine. That's the whole system. When you get in the middle of the building, it feels very comfortable. It's like
I'm gonna tell you.
You locked in?
Yeah, you locked in the building, so you know what I'm saying. You just gotta know what you're doing. It's a safety thing. It's just once you know how to.
We still got fucked up. So
so here go the story now. Listen to this, chat. Make sure y'all hear this shit.
This is probably everybody's scariest thing. Sometimes we got some rigs are operated by one side, and some rigs are operated. You gotta operate it both sides, two operators. So. Sometimes we gotta like count off so we can hit the button at the same time so we can go even.
It's gotta be in sync.
So sometimes you're not paying attention and somebody hit the button ready to go because sometimes we know how to work in sync. So we don't even have to look. We just know. And sometimes you slip. Sometimes you drop your brush or your mop on the thing and you picking it up or grabbing a rag. Niggas start going. All of a sudden you're like,
boy, fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here.
That's true.
Yo, and once again, I'm not even afraid of heights, but this shit is
this type
crazy.
of job though, this type of job, when you working on the side of building especially, it's a safety thing. So you have to, whoever you working with.
OSHA certified over
No,
here.
who you working with, you have to have that connect. Like, y'all gotta have a chemistry. Y'all got, like, if y'all having a bad day, that could fuck up y'all work day. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta take shit like that serious. It's nothing wrong with just if y'all having a little static.
So the people that you work with, you really build a camaraderie.
Within that time frame, y'all have to be but y'all have to be.
Y'all build some type of relationship.
Work-wise, y'all gotta be on the same page.
Yeah.
Work-wise, y'all have to be on some type of page. It's either I'm on your page or you on my page in terms of work-wise. It has to be. We gotta understand each other. You know what I'm saying? In some way, shape, or form for the shit to work. If you do that, you're pretty good. And the thing is, with this type of job, is everybody has to be trained on the machine you're going. You gonna have a problem if something go wrong, you know what to do, and I don't know what to do. Now if the shit's stuck, and I'm relying on you to figure it out. I'm just over there as a rookie. Oh shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, what the fuck do I do? This shit is stuck. That's when we got a problem. But when we both on the same page, like, all right, shit go wrong. All right, I think that thing over there is not supposed to be like that on your side. So you might want to knock that over there, and we should be good. As long as we both are able to do that, that shit is mad safe, bro. You know what's crazy?
What's the worst thing, like being on a rig, going down, like doing a job, work with someone?
What I just said, what Jay just said, if you not sync, if you don't know that, all right, the person who I work with, him clumsy, you know, so me have to pay attention. Him always like a drop film brush, and I'm efficient. I have a pattern, so I know that, all right, once I do my last swipe, my finger is on the button to move the rig. He on the other side. He dropping his brush. Once he done, he got to make sure he uses rag. He got to do a lot of extra shit before he even walk to the button. Me, I can even swipe the last window and have my hand on the button. Really? You have to have that understanding.
Yeah.
So if you know that person is slower, you got to, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? He's slower. Or you be like, all right.
Or sometimes
you watch one of his windows for him or some shit. You know what I'm saying? To make him show that, all right, bet, this is my pattern, and the next person should catch up. Yeah. Or you just worked on his pace.
And sometimes the groove going so good, we going so fast that like, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. You don't even know, bro. This shit happens so quick. But yeah, you have to be in sync to answer a film question, and it does correlate to Jay. That's the worst shit. I'm I'm over here finishing up, and I'm looking up, and this thing is way up there, or I'm done and I'm going up and he down there not knowing that I'm done going up. So it's either way, you know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be thinking. That shit, oh my God.
BADDIES, what you say the worst shit is?
Oh, that shit is alright, bro. You know what's...
The same thing and, the same thing. I mean, I say like, work with somebody and you have to take long. Like, I might think, when they on side of the building, I don't want to spend money.
Yeah, me no want to on the side of the building.
So,
that was gonna be my next question. Like, what? How long are you guys suspended on the side of this building for?
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah, it all depends on who you working with.
The longer upon the side of the building, it's gonna aggravate me.
Yeah, I don't like. I'm not scared of the heights. But
2 minutes.
Yeah.
That take up time, and the whole of them 2 minutes add up. By the time 60 minutes that take.
Yeah, we can't. I'm not scared of the heights, but I wanna be
get this shit done.
Yeah, I wanna get this shit done and get the fuck off. That's it. I wanna get off the side of this shit.
Would you clean buildings in New York City?
Nah, hell no. Hell no. I'm not. I know B's doing that shit, but nah. You know, that's how I'm about to segue. I'm about to segue. The machines that you see, that's nothing. These motherfuckers that rely on 2 ropes.
That's crazy,
that ties off under the roof, throw them over. They're sitting on a rope, a makeshift. You know when you go to a swing set? A shit. Imagine a swing set chair, an old swing set chair with a board.
No man, you have the back one where you can sit on.
No, we going from original shit. Because in New York City, they don't really have this new. I'll never see the new shit. The shit that I saw.
New York City more up-quick,
Probably, but alright. My experience.
Word of the week, up-quick.
No, my experience though. My experience, they're literally sitting on a chair, bro. You're sitting and there's a rope. There's 2 ropes. One is your main line and one is your safety rope, right? But now that rope is connected to that chair. You know what I'm saying? Holding you up. Plus what?
Your legs dangling.
Your legs dangling. You know, you have a half-filled bucket to your right.
Not a blood.
You know, this is called shear work. Shouts out to them niggas. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm
them niggas get all respect.
Yeah, that's wild.
I'm not, bro.
And like, them buildings different out there.
Tripping. But even with that though, I'm not doing it. But I know I'll be able to do it because if you do it safe, them ropes, cause they say, oh, them ropes can hold elephants and shit. They say them ropes is mad heavy. You know, some climber ropes, some extra. Cause you know climbers use some climber ropes. They thicker than the climber ropes. They're thicker than climber ropes. So, you know, I don't know though.
This nigga like he's about to bite the fucking.
I don't know. Fuck you, Jeff. I don't know. But now,
so that was your week, man. My fault. Like I said, man, I see your work.
Yeah, show him that shit.
Oh, that's it right. Damn, that's crazy.
I ain't doing that.
Dangles.
Yeah, I ain't doing that.
Yeah, you wasn't that high there, but yeah.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, chat.
You killing that shit.
We talking about window cleaner.
I love window cleaner, man. Stop playing with it.
They call some of them scaffold workers.
You got that video up right now, bro.
Chair workers. You see them in New York City.
Yo, my week was cool, man. My week was straight, man. I ain't do too much, man. Another day, another week, man.
Yeah. Man. Like father, like son. Alright, so people, this week we have a new.
Yeah. Don't because you say every week and doctor don't do it.
Baby part, go on.
My week was good, you know. The past 2 weeks I've been MIA. No days off. 10 days back to back. 2, 7, 14.
Yeah, you're not
14 days back to back.
He added. Put 2 more penny for the hype.
Bro, I swear to God. No day. You can see my schedule, bro. No
okay, bro.
Yeah, man. Just tired, you know. But it was a great week.
Yeah, I got party later though.
Yeah. See you good now.
But that chat, me there, you know. Last week I never 200, so I never 2 Falcon on camera. So, but my week was good though.
Alright, so yeah,
I'm chilling.
Yeah, so I check for.
I got some vlogs for y'all soon, so y'all gonna see what I do.
He must say that. We don't see no blood.
Nah, don't worry. I got
start the first episode. He must
me have some new tech I drop.
So yeah, shit.
I actually vlogged at work today. I just didn't edit that shit. So I'm about to edit it and post it tomorrow.
Everybody got their drinks poured. Everybody got a drink, right?
I've been sipping. I feel like I need another Heineken.
I feel like you done.
Oh yeah. Come to come in there. What that song they call?
No, the new song? You know out
The
yet.
first time.
That's his name of it?
Mm-hmm. Alright,
What I talk about?
Yeah.
What I talk about?
Post me a video, man, with cheer.
I want to ask her how y'all feel about that Batman pull up on me.
Yo, let me get the chaser, cause I forgot to do the cups up. Reverse time.
That ding dong.
That
number is too strong. Fuck that.
Alright, so people, Buck, you got the chaser. So before we get into the weekend, we just said the topic for this week is what makes a song a hit. We know we got the Grammys and all of that, but we have our own Livevybz hitmaker list, and we're gonna pick 4 random artists.
All random.
All random. And then we are going to do it like a, what you call it, can you a draft sheet?
Final Four tournament. It's a tournament. We're gonna do a tournament type of thing.
And we're gonna create our own reasons why we call them hits. There gotta be anonymous rules, you know what I mean?
What?
Or it's gonna win.
Nah, this can't be on the fly shit.
Everybody comes
What's going on? Hold on. Chat.
We did that last week.
Oh,
we here this week?
Yeah. And we
for that?
Yeah, we was here last week and we here again this week.
That's
so we thank the man upstairs, creator for everything. And shouts out to Fireboss again and Brother Box for the merch strong.
The special.
Yeah, you don't know. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, so what we are trying to do?
Alright, so we can do the rule. We can do like our criteria for it, man. My criteria was basically like so we going off we basically like I said, we made it a whole pool of artists. Different in between. We got 2 rappers, we're doing 2 rappers, we're doing 2 dancehall artists. Each week we're gonna do different setup for it. But so we chose these artists at random, basically pulled the names out of a hat. And we're gonna see what the criteria is for. So what makes a hit, like you said.
And it's gonna be from us on, you know what I mean, and we're in that chat. So we're going.
Oh yeah, we definitely chat. Give us your input.
Yeah. So for me, I say if we make a hit, it gotta be able to play in the club, everywhere.
In the club, on the radio,
everywhere too.
If you just want to vibe with it.
Yep. A hit should be able to play everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
That's for one.
I don't
from
disagree
me.
with that.
What's one criteria for you? You're another one.
Another song?
No, another.
No, a criteria.
Another criteria to make a
I
hit.
feel like a hit. I feel like you kind of covered it basically. For that one, yo.
Something inspirational.
Okay. That's a good one.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Hit gotta be inspirational.
Indeed.
All right.
Yeah. I feel like something that's timeless. That can be played for a long that people ain't. They could play this song
timeless
10 years from now, and it's still people still won't be able to know it.
So you have timeless, you have inspiration, and you have
Massacre.
Blam them.
What was it?
You said be able to play anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere. Brookie, what for you?
Yo, you wanna?
Yo, what for you? What criteria to make a hit song? Like if somebody come to you and say, I wanna, what makes my song a hit song? What's one thing you would tell them they have to have? For the chat too. Boost, right, pre.
What make a hit? Chat. What makes a hit? That's what I'm asking.
I was thinking that too, like a beat. The
What
beat
makes
gotta be
I mean, we could go. We could go more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Rhythm.
Catchy.
So that mean I'll go about chorus, or it don't have to be the chorus.
It may not be the chorus.
True. So
Meek Mill got Dreams and Nightmares, and it was the whole first verse. I mean, that whole song basically.
The first range.
Yeah, people know that whole song.
If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view.
All right. So like we said, they can play anywhere. And can you say keep on playing over and over, timeless?
For example, Whites.
Him say Future.
Shut up. Listen.
Him say. What him say again?
I joke.
What you say? You just threw me off. What you say? Yeah, if you have inspiration.
If say why it's
How will you say?
Me? A hit song. What is a hit?
Ask him first.
Great question. You know,
we just want one thing, man. One thing.
Nah, it's a good question. I'm not ready for this question, bro, to be honest.
So why you the one always arguing about music?
No, because I know a hit. I know a hit, but I know it, like
we could be watching this.
But yo, me know it, you know. But it's so much shit that goes into. Alright, it's alright. You see how it's song? You see, alright. The song has to the song has to be complete. It has to be a complete song.
Alright, boom. That's it. That's it
You know
right
what
there.
I'm
It's complete.
saying? All around the board.
What that
Complete. Alright.
For
complete
who don't know,
song,
because I don't know what you
meaning
mean by that.
everything. Alright now.
Oh, he don't even know.
No, you see all you know. You don't know music, you know, so me not go to argue with you.
Tell me, and I say, alright, what does it mean what is a complete song?
A complete
like, you
song.
mean complete mix master like what? I mean
Mix
obviously that goes through with it.
The melodies connect, you know what I'm saying? Rhythm I get flow upon, you know what I'm saying? As I look Offspring over here, so say. You know what I'm saying? I have look in some type of inspiration. Jax! Yo, the bubble clap Jax socket. But no, it's a bunch of shit that goes into it. But for me, it's the song really have to be complete. I want to say complete, brother. It's like the rhythm one have to be some. I don't know.
Alright, because he's basically.
More explain it, but more give example.
What you're explaining
but
is
kind of give what they come.
He basically took all of what we said.
No, and that's why I ain't want to say that because
more things because one another thing we can say it has to be a club banger.
Yeah. Well, I feel like when you said you covered that when you said it's gotta be able to play it everywhere.
Not necessarily, because you have fucking.
You said like in the club, in the car.
But you have club bangers that still you can't play anywhere.
You're right, but it's car bangers that you can't play in the club.
All right.
Well, that's a different topic.
All right, it's really not. It's songs that you will listen to in your car that you will not play in the club.
I thought about it. I thought about it. I guess I thought about it.
True. Oh, yeah,
so for me. Other than needing a complete song, it has to dominate some type of era or time frame. Completely.
Timeless.
No, necessarily timeless.
It's a little bit more specific than what I was saying. Okay. It's a little bit more. It's the same. It's a little more specific.
Okay. Yeah, timeless is different, you know.
Yes,
but like.
It could have just been popping in that era.
Yeah, that era, but it has to like. It could be like a complete era. You know what I'm saying? And when you hear that song,
it reminds you. It takes you back to that era.
Is that era? You know what I'm saying?
No, that makes sense. That makes sense.
So if I had to pick some, but there's mad shit though.
Moving forward.
Yeah. So we have that. So
the names that we chose.
Yeah. So we have 4 names, and what we are gonna do with based upon each of the criteria, then we just let out. We about to see who start up. Wait, we got 4 artists: 2 hip hop, 2 reggae. We have Future, Biggie, Skilly, and Poppy.
2 dancehall artists, brother. So put some respect, brother. Yo, you have 2 hip hop / rap artists, and you have 2 dancehall / reggae artists. I come talk about reggae. Poppy no sing reggae music. Maybe a little bit. Skilly no sing reggae music, brother. Skilly is a dancehall artist. But anyway, go on the road. Get it right. Go on again.
So people, we are going to do like an elimination with all 4. So we can do it now where we can do 1 versus 1 or they 2 and then pick the last 2 from, you know what I mean?
That is
yeah. So that's what it is. It's 1 versus 1. 1 versus 1. So and then the winner of that one goes to the next round.
So in a mix. So how much song we are go use? We think if we use 4 songs since our 4 start. 4 songs from each.
That sounds good.
So hold on. I
4
will
songs
come up
each.
with that. I will follow up with that clash. I'm never hear no type of consultation call.
From the artist?
Yeah.
Alright.
But something inspirational.
So
that's what we going for, right?
I mean, for you.
For you.
It's basically gonna be like a voting system. Like if we all say it, then that's what moves on.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna do this.
And it don't gotta be just inspirational for you. If it's some shit that you just remember, if it took you back to that era, you be like, damn, that shit that shit is a banger for you.
It gotta have all. For me, it have to have probably all our way. We just list one up.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
it's gotta be all around.
It definitely does.
Alright, so
it's gotta be complete.
I already got mine pulled up and all that.
Okay. You gotta let the DJ.
What you choosing the song?
Yeah,
okay, we all choosing the song?
Yeah, we all choosing the song. Everybody that
Oh, let me see my phone, bro.
See, you was a part of this shit and you know what's going on.
I know you was going
How
like
do you
that.
how do you think I feel right now? I don't even know what's going on. Like, who picked these artists?
So each artist, it was pulled at random. You was here for it. You ain't hear that part.
I ain't hear that poll going on.
So everybody pick a Future song right now.
Oh,
Future song
that stand out to them. That work for them. And you able to play like that? You able to do it like that?
Yeah.
All right.
I got mine.
All right.
Shit, easy.
One of mine, I don't think.
Shit.
It's his song,
that
but he's featured on it.
With some songs. And
I feel like that's another criteria too. Is their features, and they got good features.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. Because I mean they're universal in a sense.
Remix, yeah, different, but not necessarily a feature. You don't need to have a feature to have a hit song. Somebody don't need to be.
For me,
feature
it's
a song
the one that
hit.
Future features.
Go ahead.
And this is.
Don't play loud.
And it's inspirational. You know what I mean? What the other one?
Alright, we got.
And you can play it anywhere.
We got Future Turn On the Lights.
Oh, go ahead. You play this. Go ahead, play this.
He going for everywhere.
No, we have to do Biggie.
You going for the everywhere.
No, I thought we was doing. Everybody was picking the track.
Oh, I got no. It's everybody picking the artist.
Pick the track.
No, it's not an artist. They going with the list on the book. You're not seeing it.
Where's it?
Your Future song. What was it?
Turn On the Lights.
Wait, so we don't agree with that?
For that one?
Yeah.
I don't feel like that's a
that ain't no hit.
I feel like that's one off for him. That's one off for him. Nah, we can't. That wasn't hit.
But that's what I'm saying.
That wasn't hit. But I don't feel like it puts him in a. For me personally, he don't get my vote for that one.
Well, you gotta put up a Biggie song against that.
Nah, I thought we was gonna do it. So
yeah, but
so if we all go through, everybody pick a Future song.
Ding dong, huh?
You can't find a Biggie song, though?
No, I can. That's not. So listen to. I'm trying to figure out how we doing this. So, you picked your Future song. He picks a Future song. I pick a Future song. Bucky picks a Future song that we feel like can match up to this criteria. After we choose, if those songs match up to it, then we go through and do the Biggie songs. Each do the Biggie songs. Or did you want to go blow for blow with it? Like, yeah, that was wild. That was wild, yo. My fault. Pause, yo. That was wild.
First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Alright. Or then we want to go tune for tune with it.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Everybody gotta pick one song to knock out each other. Yeah.
Okay.
So you got yours on the next lineup. So somebody gotta have a Biggie song to hit this off.
You got yours pulled up.
I got a Future song. I'll find a Biggie song.
And then the other Future song would be for the other. You got me saying?
I got you. All
and then
right.
we knock four songs
I can do a Biggie song right now. I got you.
Oh, so I should come up with a skilly now.
We don't really say it.
We not there yet.
Oh, it's a Future.
Which one?
Boom.
Okay.
You can play it on the mic too. You can't.
Nah, he can type it in.
Yo, Jay, we can play it on the mic.
Play it on the mic is crazy.
Yeah, depends
yeah.
No, you can ask him to play it or you just yeah, you can put it on the mic.
We're gonna choose who won this round. Alright.
Niggas don't think shit, think gators. My Detroit players, Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn.
You can't.
Right, Biggie there.
Play the hook, play the chorus.
Never lose, never choose to. Bruce.
I feel like the chorus is the part that everybody knows.
See, I think the future too.
Wanna do us, screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Mama. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3, bang every MC easily. Recently, niggas front ain't saying
it's all wild and bump on there.
Keep my peace, keep my peace.
Alright, next track.
The Jesus peace.
Now you gotta let the hook, because the hook is what everybody knows.
That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Everybody know this.
Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways.
Everybody don't know the other one.
Do you think more people know this or more people know Future?
More people know this.
Who get this round?
Off of songs?
Who get this round? Who gets this round? Biggie or Future?
I'll do a Biggie because I don't know what the fuck Jay played. What kind of Future song was that?
Okay.
That wasn't.
Alright, so.
Yeah, Biggie got that one.
Biggie got that one. So, next round is. Yeah.
So the next one I fifth for you. And you say the meat, which one about Meek Mills?
Hold on, I gotta fix this mic. Hold on.
Oh, you're talking about for mine?
Yeah, which one in the future?
Tony Montana.
Oh, that is definitely a banger.
Montana.
That is definitely a banger. That is definitely a banger. But can you play this in anywhere?
Yes. Yes, you can. This is the club. This guy played in the club.
Okay, that's
this guy played with people's cars. This guy played with people just chilling.
2110.
Y'all don't remember this?
21. What does he say? 2110?
Tony Montana.
Oh. 2110. 2110.
Nah, y'all do some whack pics though. Come on, bro.
You about to get a pick. You about to get a pick. You say you know this song?
Foolish.
That's what we saying, bro. That's
Yo,
the whole
y'all making
point.
Future look bad, bro.
Foolish.
Okay, so then what's your future? Okay, so then now.
Biggie song.
You got a Biggie song?
Oh, Biggie.
Yeah, you got to pick a Biggie
going
song.
for Future.
Yo, y'all all got to pick a song.
We going tune for tune, man.
Yeah, I got my Future song.
We just played a Future song. It's your turn to play a Biggie song, yo.
That's better than this.
Yeah.
Oh.
That had it all like criteria the way you see. Remember I thought
Even if it's just a Biggie song that you would know.
Anyway, timeless. You have the inspiration. I don't know what Tony Montana inspire you to do.
What about Juicy?
What about what?
That is a known Biggie song.
Mm-hmm. I feel like that. I feel like that kick out 2110. You know? I feel like that kick out 2110.
2110 is crazy.
2110.
And I don't think so for real.
Even the first time with Future couple with.
What the hell is this?
So that one song.
You just had it up there too.
So that one song gonna go against one song Biggie.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So we got one for
VIP line.
One for Biggie right now, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this took I'm picking it. I'm not happy right.
Yeah.
All this.
This album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing.
Where? Y'all joke, man.
Yeah. This is a winner.
I would say this is inspiration.
This is a winner. Yeah, this is a winner, yo. This all around.
This time.
You find this a complete song?
I really didn't want to be up on it.
You have to you're all set. Well, you're part of this, yo.
Heavy D up in the every Saturday,
y'all not picking.
I let my tape drop to my tape.
You gonna get your pick. We asking about this pick right now.
Well, everybody in the room, who vouching for this song? Give me a hand, bro.
That's a fact. I'm vouching for this song.
It's a hit, but it's not gonna automatic win compared to what the fuck the Future you played. Nigga, come on. Ain't nobody listen to that shit, bro. Everybody know that shit, bro. Come on, bro. All respect to both artists. Come on, bro. Y'all niggas bugging. I don't know who's thinking
Biggie got it, man.
Biggie got that one. What's your future song? Now you can get future.
Turn on the lights.
Right?
Yeah. Turn on the lights.
So Big, that's 2 for Biggie.
Yeah.
Chat, they over there doing the whole verses. Ain't on over there. They're not playing no hits. They playing some classics. This some classics. This some, you know, rock to the music every night. This is not a. Come on, man.
Is inspirational?
Yeah.
It don't have to be no.
Just listen to this song.
That's a song I'm gonna be into it.
This played in the club though. This ain't playing in the club.
This a banger.
This was a banger. This played in the club. They played in the cars.
Can't play it everywhere.
Yeah.
This was clean though. It was clean.
And I feel like it'll be played down the road too. Like I feel like
listen though.
Get used to chilling. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see it, boy, I do.
This nigga's a lover boy.
Turn on the lights.
No, if you want one, no, you want one. You want one. If that just said, there you go. Boy, look. No, right. Like, what the fuck did that shit, nigga?
No.
Yeah, nigga, we know. I know. Well, me know say my stage at the start, you know. But you have to tell the man if you look away before you do something like that, brother. You can't just do something like that. But them screenshot him, man. Know yourself. But
you stupid.
No boy. Yeah, picking some songs, but you're not picking songs, man.
Oh, you not pick none?
Pick some songs in the bucket. Yeah, cause the money when you not pick.
You can't pick.
You have time to listen to shit.
I mean, it's just the chat know, the chat know. The chat agree with me, bro. The chat just told me.
Do not agree with me. Yeah.
Play class.
That's it right there.
Please. Ready know. Watch your moms. They got lights out on there, please. Because I'll be nice as I go on that party.
Hey, this guy play anyway. Hey.
That's what you're really thinking. That's your main, I guess that's your main criteria.
Rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping more than the back of the club, making holes, my crew's behind.
Never mind.
Mad question asking, blood passing, music blasting. But I just can't quit because one of these homies
has got the thief with.
Sleep with, keep the ever secret. Why not? Why not?
I got one that take it.
Yeah, Biggie got it. Yo, Biggie won this round, man. Biggie won this whole thing.
What's this bar? Ready? The deceased beat Future. How is that?
That's wild. Timeless music. This timeless.
Throw your hands in the air and use a true player.
Not my fault, my fault. I'm about to say you could write the winner of this round on there.
You could track that, bro. Come on now.
Alright, so we moving on.
Yeah, we could track that.
Oh, my fault.
You have the marker?
Pass the marker?
And it does, yeah. So yeah.
I just four on this one.
Yeah.
We can chuck it.
Alright, so we got that round. Alright, moving on. Moving on.
Alright, so what draw the first one? From who?
What time is it?
Oh yeah, man. Biggie got the first round, man. Notorious B.I.G.
Put the B up by a point.
Next one.
Oh, right here. Yep, right here.
Yep.
Boy.
And cross over the Future.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, Future lost that round, man.
Boo!
Nah, I ain't gonna boo, man.
Win the round though.
Me?
It wasn't by person. It was just
Are we necessarily
it's by artist.
This is where you come from, you know.
Alright, so now, man. Alright, so man, what you got, man?
The Skilly Bang drop. Yo, first Skilly Bang drop Torpedo.
Sir, it's two
Torpedo.
Sir, it's two St. Thomas artists, sir.
Come again?
It's 2 St. Thomas artists.
3. No, 4. Popcorn.
Stop in eyes, no man up on the board, him attack.
Oh. Oh, shoot.
Jesus.
I mean, in my back him criteria, so
Yeah,
God.
back which criteria?
Pause, take that out there.
You beat your father.
Take that out there.
I'm back
That sorry, bro. Damn.
Alright. Alright, man. What's up, man?
So you have what and why are the puppy songs?
I'm here judge, dog. I'm fuck
You don't actually don't judge, because you didn't even know what the music.
You don't
I'm staying on my place and leave like you take. I already know so you can leave by your own. You have to take your time and really for people. Admire the God, don't see your greatness, you probably have to see them see it, them fear it.
Summer blast like torpedo, my flow and my soul like magneto. Some in not much people. Yeah, they feel like evil, but doing good, I'm here for a reason.
Listen.
Possessions and vehicles cannot fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than I had. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow. Ready? Is ever ready to eat? Quite legendary, some advice never perish. Me never pathetic, me not gonna well if you big Philippines. Me not ready for me spot of heaven. Fuck me after school life, man, I tell you flow them and chop up.
Alright, so me say no. Well, we have to hear the next song. Who have the next song? Can we have a puppy? You have a popcorn can keep for this?
Oh yeah, yep. I got
Things last longer than I had. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow. That's why my rhymes so prolific, line them so vivid. Find out me have a vice with a feeling. So make my mother smile.
This is a club banger. Turkey doing a club banger. There's a bad song, but this is not a club banger. This is how you play anyway. I would not play it. It's going to be a all of this.
Most time I get it.
This is an all
advertise.
Eh?
Bad news woman, them love televise. More time them
so listen,
I got some shit, man. I'm a damn. That shit gonna be fishing.
stronger no.
This is inspirational. Torpedo not really inspirational. This was a club banger.
This shit Torpedo's not inspirational.
I mean, Torpedo is inspirational. Yeah, but I don't feel like it is a club banger though.
Oh my god.
I'm my fault. Okay.
It's
that's
more like a chill vibe
talking
song.
stupid
You know
shit
what I mean?
over here.
Like a kickback team type of vibe song. Yeah, but yeah.
I wouldn't even have picked Stronger.
So,
we going back to popcorn?
No, it
who won this round? Who you feel like won this round?
Why?
What are they two?
I feel like Popcorn took that round.
Alright then.
Yeah, wildin', bro.
They might be biased, but
I know you can't pick it up me.
Skilly win, but me
say Poppy.
Answer.
You feel like Skilly won that round?
Bro.
Skilly, who's a Skilly?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah, is it make my mother talk reality?
Yeah, you say Pop, you say both of them artists go up on another stage show, sold out show, film show, sing the song there.
Nah, who you think? Which song you pick?
Who would I get the bigger reaction? That one if you ask. Come on, man. Stronger now.
Who like you pick?
Would I get a Skilly there, so?
What a Torpedo is stronger now?
Would I pick some crazy songs, but...
Deep on stage now, and the mother start talk.
Would I pick out some...
Exactly. Both songs. I like both songs.
Yeah, both songs lit.
Both songs, you know.
I like both songs.
Damn. We're gonna have to have a tiebreaker.
Go ahead, Nine. Go ahead. Nine. What you say?
Tiebreaker?
No,
hold on. Hold on. Man.
No, you must say.
Torpedo.
All right.
Torpedo?
So that's about 3.
Yeah, that's Skilly. So Skilly took
Nah,
that.
4.
Skilly took that one.
I would say Skilly, bro.
Who is a 4?
1,
Me?
2, 3, 4.
I would say Skilly in that round, bro.
I said Popcorn on that one, honestly.
Well, 4.
But I mean, the songs that was picked
for that round. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
for that round.
How many rounds?
We also got
rounds.
counting
Okay,
Bucky round at all either.
Yeah.
But
No.
I'm
picking. What
next
you
one.
mean?
All right, so
What
I
you
gotta
mean?
pick my Skilly song. My fault.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my Skilly song. And I feel like this is something that could play that played anywhere.
Let's see. I have both of your pick.
that played everywhere. That was on the radio. That was it.
Y'all do 3 rounds. Y'all do 3 rounds, and I'll beat Georgia. Y'all doing this weird, bro. If y'all gonna do this,
that's gonna be my next one. That's gonna be my next one.
my top boy.
I gotta go 2 times.
Is that
okay? You went there, okay?
Is that on a down grinding?
It's a complete song.
They played everywhere.
That's one criteria.
This song play everywhere. And then it shows cross. It shows the features and everything because he has the Nicki Minaj on it.
So I'll run up and see. We play inside Conorati. Yeah, man, I inside. Be a chapstick.
Alright.
You wanna know about this?
That's my pop.
Don't ask me. Ask my dip on the road I see. Full of yeah. Clear away when you drink a six.
You pick a song.
Popcorn silence.
There's a whole other word.
That's it. We use your round.
Drop the silence.
Nah, it's still mine. Oh no, you got nine.
Somebody else gotta pick. Kenny can't pick the popcorn song.
Say your bad pussy will run up and six. We be inside Conorati.
He said silence. It is his track.
We prepare goose with the case, with the 6 in here. In the case shot, ricochet people face like DPM shot a beat in a people face. He said, oh no, must you face I'm afraid. Shot down with your face if you rap with my brain. Can I see the 4 or 5 clean? Shot open your door like key. Don't try this if you don't like me. Shot in your clothes like scene. Roll with the key with the nose pine teeth. This way you don't find him. This is his side and you know crisis.
This is a good one, yo. This is a good one.
But you tell me you are buying you, be my careful though you can't find it.
Anywhere you go, bang.
And anybody pour my
I can't argue that one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Just enemy, just a friend.
What just played?
Listen to Crocodile.
This is a tough round.
Good one. This is a good one.
It's a tough round. Now y'all picking songs. Now y'all picking motherfucking hit songs.
When it comes to sense that
I like this round. I like this round.
You only got 8 points in this song. Nobody want to hear it, man.
Alright, may I go with popcorn now one.
Thank you. I feel like popcorn took that one too, yo.
Thank you.
Yes, I mean.
I feel like.
I mean, 2 of them bad, but more me than the puppy, you know.
Thank you very much.
Alright, so
I'm thinking.
9, what you think, yo?
9. Where you there? Where in the argument?
Popcorn.
Puppy.
It's unanimous at this point, yo.
I think it is.
At this point,
I mean, damn, let's not even argue, but I feel like
ain't no reason. Ain't no reason to.
Because, like, damn. Tough. That shit heavy.
Alright, so what's up?
I think Gabby if it start, no.
What's up? You gotta grab it.
That's not
I mean,
damn.
You gonna pick a skilly?
Yeah, man.
Nigga, you gotta stick with the damn calendar. Damn.
Oh shit, me think that
This nigga, yo, set them a snitty one where just please, yo. Alright, so relax, man.
I pop you after skilly, right?
Y'all doing 3 rounds. It's on Jay now. Jay gotta pick a skilly, cause who started? I think Dr. Sosa. So Jay gotta start this round. He gotta pick who started on skilly. So we gotta pick a skilly song, and then somebody else gotta pick a poppy song. Ready? Go on. Okay.
Shout out.
Zone black light, what about me still have to catch it on. Me a girl a call and me let my one. Me a girl a call on my telephone. I'm a skin a buzz, but me skin a buzz. Or you feel bad mind too,
and it's a feature too.
Push a thing on your face when you sick a buzz.
With an international, well, he's an international artist too.
I'm a skin a drink. Girl want fuck and me lip a do it. I'm a medical weed, make girl she a freak. She is a freak when I do it, so she kiss a piece of the lingani. Is it chica chin? Pretty girl with the big body.
So it's popcorn,
pretty like figure eight.
Watch out now.
Every girl a praise.
So I mean to pick up popcorn?
Every girl a praise.
God, you have to think more the round. You have to think more the round. Dr. Sour, I feel like the biggest song, bro. Yeah, I feel like that's the song. Pick the pop.
Damn, yo. I kind of want to change what I have picked before now.
Bounce like Willie bounce when I the tops when the 4-inch with my ground. Be a weezy now. Fire violate, happy then the chinga punch. East side murder boy. International band. Think of us negative. Then it's gone. Shot like you like me a come. Don't figure out when you see
stop load up the music then. Bring the music on your phone and show the DJ the music.
I'm skin and brownie, you the first time I'm being on the bitch I go. Then nothing like the way you play my river post. I'm skin and buns, I'm skin and buns. How you feel like man, two package in my butt. Couple shot in your face when you think about. Jump it up in my range, I'm skin about.
She a bad man, but background the only man she want. The only man she want. She don't care if she a invite or if she drive the car and stop now. The only man she want. The only man she want.
No.
You was over there just.
Skillibang, yo fucking.
Yeah, he cheated, right?
Yo fucking.
Yeah, he cheated.
He said features. He did say features.
Nah. I mean,
who that thing just feature with?
Buster
Rhymes.
No.
Nah, so the round there is obviously Poppy. I mean, that's a good round.
Popcorn took that whole. That
was a good round.
Yeah, you can move up the
No, wait, we had 2 more songs.
Oh, we got 2 more songs. My fault.
4 each.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Simon, you can pick the next.
I fought to pick for the
Skilly that can beat out that.
50 bug.
Bombo Clock.
Oh.
Yo, me know they sang like the back of my head in the dog.
You the man. Yeah, east side.
So we don't understand about it.
Go on. If not, make the children be there. I don't know where we're going.
They sang them, I grew up by the now.
Yeah, I feel era still, for true.
That nigga live like 5 minutes away from my house.
I feel era for true.
But you
my brother got school with him, so me used to there on them and that. Heavy. Yeah, I do know.
Yo, the one of my boy, the one of my little like I think some boy. Like saying that it was nice. Yeah, I'm to them. I ain't side, I tell them say I ain't side, I said I'm
who have a popcorn we can beat this?
Ready.
I mean, that's easy.
I'm feeling, but they give me a grade. With the grab a leaf, send me go a place where gravity no exists. Me love staying here, so don't give me no bush weed and a daycare. Be a smoke in the air.
I decided for Skillibang, me rehearse it.
Watch a fire like when me step out with the key. Big fat split me about 50 pair.
Like
more, give me a.
When I say he rap capping.
Capping in this rap.
So it's popcorn capping.
Easy, I mean.
Skilly.
I would go with something like either Never Sober or
Popcorn Tree.
Nah.
You can't pick 2 times.
I'll go.
Everything mad.
I would go with that. Oh yes! That,
I guess. I'm trying to match this song, but yeah.
This one.
Yeah, I'm trying to match the song, but
Who got this round?
Producer, pick a song, wait.
Oh, producer pick the song? Who got you? Me. So who won this round? You ain't win this round.
Skilly.
No, Skilly just playing.
Nah, he ain't win the round.
I thought I ain't picking. You gotta go with the round. You gotta go with the song.
We still a win. Them girls keep the black thing shining. We still a win.
Popcorn got that.
We still a win.
Poppy won this round.
We still a win.
I was trying to think of that song, but I never know the name of it, so I'm never sober.
50 bug.
You say 50 bug.
We is my best friend.
What happened to
But you know, sir, if I the criteria, then we still a win-win.
What happened to my track?
You got one more.
Nigga, you started a round, bro.
Exactly, and then another song.
No, I'll pick Skillibang.
Like, listen, this is how we go.
Come on.
This how it go.
And then he played off of the popcorn. He played Skilly Bang.
No, somebody else just got to pick. As long as you pick one, somebody else got to pick that already.
No, only man she want win.
Only man over 50 bag.
No, not over 50 bag. This over 50 bag.
Yeah, producer just.
So who won against Only Man She Won? What song won against Only Man She Won?
That's the song that won. That's the song that won.
What song won against him?
A Crocodile Teeth.
Yeah, I will play Crocodile. And you will play Crocodile Teeth.
No, Kenny asked Crocodile Teeth.
Yes, and somebody else. So how I chose both songs? That don't make sense.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, y'all skipped over my song and went to a different popcorn. That's what I'm saying.
No, we never skip over your song.
Yes, you did. Okay, so then who won the round? Out of Only Man She Won, who won the round?
Damn, me never win.
Can y'all answer the question?
Let me get you right.
Yo,
I had
you. The glass out of your Oh God! No, I'm trying to explain. No, you started it around, right? Mm-hmm. So when you pick an artist,
that's when you
somebody else got to pick.
Correct.
But then, if Jay starts around, you could pick the next artist.
Correct.
But so if you did that one round, it's okay.
Nobody voted off of that round. Is what I'm saying.
No, I think they did though, cause I Puppy a leader right now, right? Puppy.
Nobody voted off of that round. Is what I'm saying.
They did. That's how they did, man. Holy man, show up. I win the round there.
Where you want?
Come on, I'm pretty real. Alright, what do you want right now?
What? Say it again. Say it again.
What? Say my woman me want right now. What? To be a killer. Them job. Yo, I got a face, bro. I'm sorry, Chuck.
Kenny, we are already on time, so we have to go continue this next week.
That's all good. Yeah, we definitely. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's getting late.
Yeah, if you close it off, jump to 16, chopper.
Yeah.
So who won? So all right. So at least let's get through this last. Who won? Out of the Skilly and Poppy, who won?
Feel like
we might as well take a vote now since we
I feel like a Poppy win because Only Man She Won will still a win, and I think Silence.
Yeah.
So that's a 3.
Mm-hmm.
But so,
a GF one.
My phone or mine? Or the headphone?
Nah, but definitely so then Poppy won that round. All right. So then next week we come back, we gotta do the battle for the fight for the winner.
Year.
Type of shit, but well, I don't think.
Imagine.
Yeah, can't do that. I can't keep it a jet. I can't keep it on. I want to fight him.
Yeah, you get it.
Alright.
No, eat no candy. We're going to do candy. We're going to do candy first.
Outro real quick, you know.
Outro.
That's something you said earlier about, you know.
The man said no.
He might freestyle. Neighbor! So people, you don't know what time it is. Catch us next week.
Man.
With a different type of vibe.
Make sure you like, subscribe.
This your boy Gallus J.
Dr. Sour. Happy Mother's Day, all the ladies. Yo, make sure y'all know. Happy Mother's Day to y'all.
Yeah, catch us Sunday. Gallus on the bodies. We got something surprise for y'all. What? See the
they got a surprise on Sunday for them all. Right. You heard what they got a surprise on Sunday.
Run out again with the hammer, head tap splatter, boy face shatter, lies so we not afraid that then look man a carry a case stronger, we aim pan the one on, head bust off again like dragon, pussy face chaka, built-in hammer, mud buffer, fire chat turbo, we not talk programming up, we not rubber, shoot up a turbo, boy skin a bottom, when miss a blood clot bro man a bubble, live a hand shelly, war up a belly, with the head skelly, I pick them belly, head a bust like telly, dead when me pressing, use it Benelli, no use it Benelli, why you no wicked, talk and tilly, east side willy, cool like killing, gun start jilling, blood start spilling, brain start digging, can't leave it anchor, shoot up your face with romantic right now, shoot up your face with romantic right now, shoot up your face with romantic right now, shoot couple face, chaka, 16 chaka, run out again with the hammer, hey, I'm stuck. 3, 4, 5
5 choppers, 6 dead apples, 7 hoes in the room and they all gobble gobble. Try to set me up, blocker. Oh, I said 7, add 4 more blockers. 50 more for the rubbers, 2 for the drum. How many shots did you hear? Never said a whole lot of. Big dog like Clifford, your bitch I dick up. The gun shoot fast cause it came with a switcher. Get smoked like Swisher, a J no jigger. The gun to his head, watch his eyes get bigger. Stripes like Tigger, a Tony the Tiger. 2 holes in his neck, but I'm not a vampire.
In a sun, I'm ready for devour skin with a big gun, yeah. I'm ready for go spray shot now like shower. My gun full of power, you know see that drum, yeah. I'm ready for go beat that now like trauma. Brand new key, you know see the color. Bag a gun play, you know use current. Boy that chain, like in a gutter. Left a hand chili, wore up a belly. With the hair skelly, have a tip them ready. Head a bust like telly. Dead when me press it, use it Benelli. Nigga use it Benelli. Them boy they no wicked, dark and timid. East side billing, cool hard killing. Gunshot jilling, blood starts spilling, rave starts. The crime vehicle tank, shoot up your face with the matic right now. Shoot up your face with the matic right now. Shoot up your face with the matic right now. Shoot couple face, east side chop off a head with the chopper. 16 chopper, long like waka. Pull it around, tag them with the hammer. Head tap splatter, wife your shatter. Lights on the north, afraid that they don't look a man. How do you case chopper? The way I'm so XO Devante. We can do it easier. I top in my pack, but me neck in a freezer. Skitty pull up in the G-Walk. Make every girl a kiss a teeter. Songs pop up in your speaker like a media. It would like a feel that. Easy, don't tell me not believer. I'm no rise. A G's and B's, them I said. When them see me pull up, tell you when me full up. Money, gal and weed and liquor too much. Tell a boy and a show up. Be able to show me nine come up. Wash about. I'm not up to that and you know have the money, you know what. Gal a link up just to go down mouth and pussy. You got rush and have your gal a boom up like one of my song we blow up. We take for gal. Easy.
Thailand pattern, we killing them beat by beat. Easy. Out and clean like it's enough boy gal switch up a simple.
Easy.
We not from the day. We buy no exaggeration.
Easy.
You're a Johnny no skill. Make me shoot,
Easy. Top ranking. A bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, a bad man thing, yeah. Top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Wanna make your black flip? I pump rifle a one crank thing, like pregnant girl, my pint and stick to your people a ball. What you cry take? Mop line tape. If you shot pint head, a knife when shot a slice and peel. Yeah, I lock down like Chinese.
When the 15 spot, whoever they have to jump on top. We don't give a fuck driver in a car. We the Mac 10s and the new star. When me dog them macho, 16 and Jacob clip tall. Big 4-4 with the nozzle point all out. We got the crooks kill it all.
Eastside bad heavy day. This man to your face anyway. Car accelerate, go for them. Be a kid chop, sit your ears with the hell. Bad till the day me a dead. Yes, of machine gun trample them head. AK shot. See, take a beat and teach them. Rifle whip it out, the crocodile teeth them. 16 easy if you chop him up. Boy attack me, just shut him up. Murder me nemesis, open them head, fling them off a precipice. And a knife me open them belly with roll with the key wet taller than jelly tree. If you don't want to shut your mouth right pan me and make a DM, me we shut you up. We chop off them head, me no fuck around. We no just know if chase me kill a fucker now. Fuck around, we no just know if chase me kill a fucker now. We chop off them head, fuck around, we no just know if chase me kill a fucker now. Them mongo. Man, the pussy, them afraid of me. What's out, no sound, we no play we. Easy, when they Mr. Universe, style sick, peculiar. Tougher than a Arawak, we a real bad man. Them a son drama man. Me know me hurt, me have to talk a lot. Look through the terms and there's a lot of cash. Me see some man like them alone a formula. Me fuck up the pace, me then relax and if I want you back. No pussy never write my song. Who no know skill, know the business like a tiny man. The boy them bad minded and find it song, but my mission, me nah no time for that. But me have time for cash. Me know them want me flop, that's why me can't relax. Them never know me hurt, the dicks have stamina. Just cause I'm me alone, used to focus on my gram. Them never know say I so much y'all, but I follow my back. King from the Caribbean. You might have take my light, but you can't take me ambition. Some of them never see my vision until my life evolve. I shine the rocks, I spend me more than 5 million. Just just like my dad, my king, and be like Bible, and me give thanks for the life me have. Some boy no want me reach, just probably reach them in a barrel, but me a no crab, extension in a me black. Them know me no have to chat, police come put them in a body bag. Big belly, my matic have. Me head chip that Microsoft, them know nothing figure out, next for cloud, big song like climate chat. Me give thanks for my life, because one time I used to pray to die for that. Look now what my life is at. Look now what my life is at.
No why them a pre me neck freezy, and me life speedy. Oh, you not touch a button when you see me. Them know say I ride for me deal with easy. We make ducky rum freely. All I throw and bust it out neatly. Jamstown, yo, shotty, yo, peasy. Tell a pussy safe if no wanted. Don't interfere with the dog them while when no wanted. So you know so we skull haunted. Still a murder boy regardless. Boy this the boss them. Roll out big rifle punches. Well Chris design for ham men. Kill boy the fastest. And when him precise when I miss. Gunshot big like a cartridge. No why them a pre me neck freezy, and me life speedy. Or you not touch a button when you see me. Them know say I ride for me deal with easy. We make ducky rum freely. All I throw and bust it out neatly. Yo.